Today I'm going to be solving some physics problems, and hopefully you will get to practice along. All right. One-dimensional kinematics. A bus leaves ELAC and accelerates at a constant rate for 12 seconds. During this time, it travels 40 meters. Afterwards, it travels at a constant velocity for 2 minutes. Then the driver notices a stop sign 20 meters ahead and brakes. He comes to a stop just at the sign. Assume constant acceleration. Okay. What was the initial acceleration of the bus? Well, what do we know? We know delta t was 12 seconds, and we know we went a distance of 40 meters. So we're talking, we have three events. We have an event where the bus is stopped, and it accelerates up to at a constant rate to a certain speed, and that occurs during the first 12 seconds. Then it goes at a constant, this is velocity, and that's time. It goes at a constant rate for another 120 seconds, so that would be 132 seconds. And then it comes to a stop, and we don't know the time, but we know that's 20 meters. So we don't know the time there. All right, but we're talking about this first event. We want to know the initial acceleration of the bus. Okay, so I'm going to use x final equals x initial plus v naught t plus 1/2 a t squared. And I know x final is 40 meters. X initial we'll call 0. V naught, it starts at a standstill, so that's 0. Plus 1/2 a times 12 seconds quantity squared. And what do I mean by quantity? I mean the whole quantity. I mean the 12 and the seconds. So a is going to be equal to 40 meters times 2 divided by 12 seconds quantity squared. And I don't know what that is. Let me determine. I think it's 0.55 meters per second. Okay, so that's that. Our next question is, what was the bus's velocity after 12 seconds? Okay, I will use the velocity equation. V final equals V initial plus acceleration times time. So V final equals 0 plus 0.55 meters per second squared times 12 seconds. Okay, don't know what that is, but let me pull up the calculator. All right. I got 6.6 meters per second. All right, so this is 6.6 meters per second. All right, now we are asked to find how long did the bus brake, and by that they're looking for time. So I can remember the rule. You should remember from algebra: one equation, one unknown. I'm looking for time, and I'm going to use that average equation. So I'll have x equals 1/2 v initial plus v final times t, and I want to solve for t. So 2x over v initial plus v final is going to give me t. T. All right, so 2 times 20 meters divided by, I know my initial is 6.6 meters per second, and I come to a stop, so the final is 0. And I did that calculation, and the answer is 6.06 seconds. Next, we are asked, what is the total distance of the trip? Well, we had 40 meters for the first leg, plus we had 6.6 meters per second. And then we went 102 minutes, so that would be 120 seconds. Plus we had 20 meters for the last leg. So let's figure out what that is. Clear. Okay, 792 plus 60. I got 852. So that would be 852 meters.